How to change your voice to professional voiceover. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply use in mobile CapCut. If you are using PC, you guys will simply use CapCut PC. So for mobile CapCut, if you are using Android or Samsung, you guys will simply go to Play Store and search for CapCut. In iPhone, you guys will simply search on App Store. So I will simply search for CapCut. Once I search for CapCut, here you guys will see CapCut Video Editor, so install it. After installing it, simply click on CapCut. Now here you guys will see that type of interface, simply click on Edit. Once you click on Edit, here you guys will see New Project, so simply click on New Project. Now you guys will simply upload a pic. For example, I am uploading that pic. Now the question is how we can improve our audio quality, or how we can change our audio to professional voiceover. So for that, I will simply click on Add Plus Audio, and here you guys can upload your audio recordings. Also you can record live, so I'll simply record live. So I'll simply click on Record. Here I will simply say some words like, wait for some seconds. How are you? I am fixed seat owner. After that, I will simply click on that mic. Now our recording was ready. The question is how we can change it to professional voiceover. So for that, I will simply click on that voiceover. Here I will simply in downside scroll on right side. Here you guys will see audio effects, but before that we will simply enhance our audio. So for that I will simply click on reduce noise. Here I will turn on it. How are you? After that I will simply click on audio effects. Here you guys will see voice characters. So once I click on voice characters, here you guys will see a lot of voice characters. So it's upon you which one you choose. For example, I'm choosing tech blogger, so I will simply click on that. Now I will wait for some seconds. Now in some seconds our voice was converted to tech blogger, so I will simply click on that mark. Let's check our voice. So I will simply play my voice to show you how professionally it wants change.
How are you? I am fixed seat owner. After that, I'll simply click on that mic.
That's how we can change our voice to any character or any professional voiceover. Thanks for watching.